Hi everyone, welcome back to Art's Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we have a super simple and delicious recipe for you. A 3-ingredient postbiotic banana juice, packed with gut-friendly benefit and only takes a minute or less to make. Let's get started. Here are 3 ingredients you need. 1 large banana or 2 small bananas, 200 ml of almond milk. You can use your favorite milk. 1 tablespoon of our Koso original or 2 teaspoons of our Koso lower sugar. First, let's start with bananas. Bananas are fantastic for your gut health. They contain prebiotics fibers which help feed the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy digestive system. Prebiotics are essential because they serve as a food for probiotics, the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This helps to maintain a balanced gut microbiome, which is crucial for digestion and nutrition absorption. Bananas are also a great source of potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. Additionally, they provide vitamins such as vitamin B6 and vitamin C. Vitamin B6 supports brain health and immune function, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that aids in tissue repair and immune defense. Next, add almond milk and 1 tablespoon of Koso original. Koso is packed with postbiotics, which are beneficial compounds produced by the gut bacteria during fermentation. Postbiotics help improve gut health by enhancing the absorption of nutrients and supporting the immune system. Now blend everything until it's smooth and creamy. And there you have it, a simple 3-ingredient postbiotic banana juice. Not only is it delicious, but it's also great for your gut health. Remember, a healthy gut is key to overall wellness. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know in the comment how you like this banana juice. Thanks for watching. See you next time.